We have all heard the satisfying click when you close your AirPod case. But let's be honest, that plain white plastic, it's a bit naked, it's cold, it's slippery, and definitely not screaming personality. But what if your tech felt more like a cozy sweater? What if every time you pull out your music, you were holding a tiny piece of art? Today I am taking you through a gallery of crochet AirPod covers that are more than just protection. They are a mood. If you are looking for your next Etsy bestseller or the It M for your Shopify store, stick around. We are about to turn your yarn into gold. First up, we have the undisputed king for Etsy trend category. There is something incredibly tactile about a hand-stitched mushroom cap or a tiny sprout growing out of your charging port. These designs taps into the nostalgia for handmade for sellers. These are brilliant because they use very little yarn but allow for a high price point because of the cuteness factor. Pro tip here is that use 100% mechanized cotton for these. It gives that clean, defined stitch look that shoppers love in photos. Next, let's talk about the foodies. We have a case when you can have a crochet avocado. Food item themes, tech accessories are massively impulsive to buy. These are quirky, they are great conversation starters, and they photograph like a dream for Instagram and TikTok. Think about the year of the peach or tiny citrus slice. When you are listening these on Shopify, focus on the craftability. These are the perfect just because gift that fit right into the padded mailer, making your shipping cost incredibly low. If cute isn't your brand vibe, let's pivot to high fashion texture. Checkered pattern, especially in Bottego green and classic black and white, are huge right now. You can also experiment with the velvet yarn or even tencel yarn for the Y2K fuzzy aesthetic.